Welcome back, socialites, and if you're new, I'm Ariell. I do mainly beauty videos, fragrance, and a little bit of lifestyle. Those are the videos you enjoy watching. I'd love for you to hit the subscribe button and come join the family. In today's video, we are going to have a swatch party, girl. There are quite a few new products that I'm trying out from e.l.f. and some products from e.l.f. that are new to me, and these are some exciting new launches, y'all. So before we jump into it, I do want to thank e.l.f. for sponsoring today's video. e.l.f. is definitely the brand that I get value without compromising quality. So if you want to see how I got this look and a ton of swatches, then keep watching. Starting off with moisturizer, I'm using the Pure Skin moisturizer from e.l.f. Skin. It's dermatologist tested with oat milk, ceramides, and niacinamide. So this was a product that's sort of new to me. I've been using it maybe about a couple months or so since the last time I did an e.l.f. video. It's creamy, hydrating with no scent. Since my skin is acne prone, I really appreciate when skincare products are fragrance free. Taking my e.l.f. lip oil in Rose Envy. For primer, I'm going to take my e.l.f. Liquid Poreless Primer, which is my favorite primer. To me, e.l.f. is the GOAT when it comes to primers, y'all. They have a few that I like. This just happens to be like my favorite and most used. But their Power Grip Matte that comes in a black squeeze tube is phenomenal. I don't need it all the time because that one's like sort of mattifies, helps to extend the wear of your makeup longer than this one does. But for my oily skin girlies, that one is perfection. I do like to let this one dry down at least like a minute or two before I go in with foundation. For foundation, I'm using the e.l.f. Soft Glam Foundation in the shade 45. This definitely gives glam. This is like that full coverage made up sort of foundation. e.l.f. does have quite a few complexion like foundation like products, but this one is my favorite from the brand, and this one has the best color match for me than their other sort of like foundation like products, like their skin tints and stuff. Just going over the areas that I need the most coverage first, and it does oxidize slightly. I know initially it looks a little light, and this doesn't match me like to perfection, but it's a good match. So I'm gonna take this e.l.f. brush here. This is the e.l.f. Buffing Foundation brush. I'm going to take the same foundation in the shade 51 Deep Cool with just a tiny smidge of it. And this is going to balance out the color and make it just a little bit richer and deeper for me. See how this just sort of balances the color out? The base is perfection. Taking my e.l.f. Liquid Camo Bronzer in Tan Bronze. A little bit of this goes a long way. They've actually extended the shades in this too, y'all. So they pretty much have a shade for everybody at this point. And I'm just gonna take that same foundation brush and blend this in, and it blends out. Look at that, so easy, like a dream. I remember when these first came out, y'all. Loved them from the jump. Gonna go ahead and add a little bit here and here. e.l.f.'s Liquid Blush in Bronzed Bombshell. And again, that same e.l.f. brush, I just brushed a little bit of the contour off of it. Very pigmented, a little bit goes a long way. So I'm taking my sponge to sort of soften it around the edges a little bit. It's like the perfect like sun-kissed sort of look. So this is new to me from e.l.f. This is the e.l.f. 10 out of 10 brush kit. Comes with 9 brushes and 1 sponge at a terrific price point. And if you didn't know, e.l.f. does have some great quality brushes. A couple of their brushes have actually made Ariell's favorite things, like my yearly favorites. So it comes with 4 face brushes and then 5 eye brushes. And the sponge is angled. I don't know if this is a new sponge from them. I love an angled sponge, but I don't know if I've ever seen an angled one from e.l.f. So I'm gonna wet this and come right back. Okay, girl, I'm back. So this is the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer, one of my favorites. I've actually been using this concealer since it came out, y'all. So this is in the shade Tan Neutral. I usually use it just to brighten like my inner corner, but I also use this on clients. They also have one that's a hydrating concealer with the same packaging, but the camo one, the 16-Hour Camo, is my favorite. Full coverage, really pigmented, so a little bit of this goes a long way. So I'm gonna take the Flawless Concealer brush from that set I take that sponge and just soften the edges. e.l.f. HD powder in soft luminous. This is a super light, very finely milled, super thin, y'all. There's some particles in here that have a little bit of reflective properties in it. So very light that I don't even think a camera would be able to pick it up. And I'm gonna blend this a little further down. It's actually a really pretty powder. It gives like a soft focus to the skin. I don't know why enough people don't talk about it. Really pretty powder. I'm gonna take my e.l.f. Halo Glow powder in the shade Tan Warm with another brush from that set, which is the pointed powder brush. I'm gonna go ahead and melt it in before we move to the next step. So I do have quite a few new products for the eyes, girl. So this is the exciting part. Let me go ahead and zoom in. So e.l.f. now has a micro fine brow pencil. We love micro brow pencils over here. So I got a couple shades so we can see what they look like. I got Deep Brown, which I think is their darkest shade. Comes with a spoolie on one end and then a fine tip pencil on the opposite end. So since it's so micro, only turn it up a tiny bit. Ooh, it instantly gives pigment. So this is the shade of Deep Brown and this is the shade Neutral Brown. So Deep Brown and Neutral Brown. Starting off with Deep Brown. This thing gives you some crispy brows. So if you want to get that super sharp precision, this is it right here. So another new e.l.f. product, y'all. These just launched. These are the Liquid Velvet eyeshadows. I only got one shade, which this is in the shade Current Mood. So this is a liquid to powder formula. This is what the applicator looks like. Pretty plum shade. Taking another brush from the set, which is the e.l.f. blending brush, and I'm gonna soften the edges. Blends out super easily. That blend out really nice. And this honestly could be a one and done color. Okay, y'all, so since holiday is in full swing, I thought I'd pick up these new Glitzshow shadow sticks from e.l.f. We love glitter and shimmer over here, so we're gonna try to layer them on top. I got 3 shades, so let's go ahead and swatch them. First is Royal Foil, and it does have one of these on it. And just FYI, you have to keep these. With any product you see this on there, you take it off, you put it back on before you put the main cap back on. It keeps it from drying out. So that's a beautiful bronze shade. Next up is Prism Addict. And last we have Hot Glam. Now the first shade, Royal Foil, actually has the most glitter reflex in it, but the glitter reflex are really, really soft. So let's start off with Royal Foil. I'm gonna put it over here. Stunning, and it feels cooling on the eye. So this dries really fast, almost instantly, so you may want to put a little on your finger and then go that way. So you could also get like those sparse reflex just by lightly tapping it across your lid. Taking Prism Addict, the lightest shade, and I'm going to put it right in this inner corner. Ooh, so it's like a frosted color with a little bit of a pinky undertone. This one definitely looks foiled on the eye. So you could get that sort of scattered reflect look. Taking our last bronzy shade, like that orangey bronzy shade, right next to Prism Addict, just so we can kind of see what it looks like. That's beautiful. Honestly, y'all, I like all of the colors. So I'm gonna go into one of my e.l.f. bite-sized palettes. This one is the Cream and Sugar palette. And the dark brown, and just put it on the outer edge to sort of balance the look. That way we can sort of look like something in the meantime. I'm gonna use my e.l.f. Incredicurl mascara. Okay, so I'm gonna take my e.l.f. Camo Powder Foundation. It's in the shade 425N, which is a little bit deep for me. So I'm gonna use this to sort of set our bronzer or like contour a little bit more. And this is the angled brush from e.l.f. So far, these brushes have been really nice from this set. I did pick up quite a few new lip products, but we may just swatch them and I'll try a couple. So this one's in the shade Dark Cocoa. This one's in the shade Spill the Tea. So now they have a new darker shade called Doppio Espresso. It's a rich neutral brown. That is deep. So this is Plum and Get It. That is pretty. We might use that one today. I also picked up a shade called That Merlot though, which is a soft burgundy. Okay, so I have quite a few shades of the e.l.f. Glow Revolver Melting Lip Balms. This one's the shade Cotton Candy Crush. I'm gonna put Strawberry Shortcake right above it because I feel like some of you have Strawberry Shortcake, just so you can see the difference. This is the shade Peach Ring, which is one of the new-ish, one of the added shades. And one of the reasons I love ordering from the e.l.f. website is with certain amounts of your order, they throw in free samples, free full-size products. This one's the shade Yummy Gummy, which they threw in for free. So I wanted to order a red satin lipstick from e.l.f. So this formula of their lipstick is so nice, y'all. I love them. I have a shade called Hustle, which is like a peachy undertone nude shade that is so nice. So I thought, let me try a red one for the holidays. The name of this shade is No Regrets. Okay, definitely not mad at No Regrets, and they're creamy and smooth. I have probably most of their lip oils, even the shimmer ones, but I didn't have Divine Wine. So there's Divine Wine, and it does have shimmery reflex in it. I'm gonna take the lip liner in Dark Cocoa with Peach Ring on top. Plum and Get It lip liner with Yummy Gummy Melting Balm. Divine Wine Reviver lip oil. One last product I want to test out, y'all. I've never tried this shade before. It's the blush in You Go Cocoa. This looks so pretty on the website. I had to check it out, y'all. It's the e.l.f. Halo Glow Beauty Wand. That's like a blush and highlight situation all in one. So that's You Go Cocoa. And let me put Bronze Bombshell next to it. Bronze Bombshell has a little bit more like deeper orange. The blush wand definitely has more like reflex in it for sure. So honestly, I'm gonna use my finger because I don't want to apply too much. So with the light hand, I feel like you could definitely put it on top of powder. Quick rundown of the new products that I used today. The new e.l.f. Micro Fine Brow Pencils are 10 out of 10. If you get nothing else from this video, you've got to try them. The new e.l.f. Glitzshow Shadow Sticks, I think, are stunning. The pigment is bold. I don't feel like the glitter is overdone. And they don't budge. These came out just in time for the holidays. New liquid velvet eyeshadow, easy to apply and easy to blend. I feel like people don't talk about that enough. With liquid eyeshadow, sometimes it just doesn't give you enough playtime to blend. So now I'm a person that likes precision with my lip liners, so it doesn't hurt that with the e.l.f. lip liners you get ultimate precision and a creamy glide. The Halo Glow, the Beauty Wand Blush Wand is not new, but it's new to me, and I think the color is stunning, which is You Go Cocoa. Now I've already been a fan of the Glow Revolver lip oils because they give an instant shine, a nice plumping effect without feeling too burny or too tingling, and they're hydrating. Okay, y'all, I'm done. I'm out of here for real this time. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Every single thing I used today, I'll have linked in the description box, so be sure to check that out. Huge thank you to e.l.f. and thank you guys even more for watching. If you're new here, welcome, and I'll see you on tomorrow's video.